Hello, my lovely viewers across all over the world. I am Mavis Nyako, Deroko Technology Official. Today, our inventor, the brilliant man, will be addressing the world on how electrical problems would be solved by powerful AI device. Please stay tuned.
Welcome to Deroko Technology Company. Here is your inventor, Roxanne Kojodebra, the senior engineer of Deroko Technology. Today we are coming to talk something about how all electrical problems will be solved by the powerful AI device called the spider sensor. In which way can that be possible? You will let the world know how far we have reached moving electricity from the analog to digital system. Electricity is causing many disasters in our house, companies. We are losing our properties. We are losing the properties that we have made for so long. These all disasters are caused by electricity. And for now, we have a special device to protect our house from all this dangerous activity. Your Excellencies, President of Republic Democratic Nations, Vice President, Ministers, Ministers of Government, Ministers of neighboring countries, representatives of international bodies, members of diplomacy, ladies and gentlemen. There is only one kind of wisdom, and that is hindsight. There is always an answer to questions, whether difficult or not. There is an answer. Answers are given or we work for. Search for it. We say electricity, and that is not the end of the problems. Problems follows. Electrical problems can be scary. They do not just cause damage to appliances, but also poses a risk to human life, the earth and properties. Issues like fire outbreak, electrical shock, high electricity bills, electrical surges, electrical sacks and dips, etc. I clearly say can be solved, not prevented. There is a special design AI device that weighs a high capability of solving all electrical problems. Many innocent and good people have died because they did not meet this AI device called the spider sensor. Place where this device is not used, human lives are at high risk, whilst the earth become electrocuted by the life cable. A ship without this AI device, fishes and other sea creatures are likely to die due to its electrocution. Because companies, homes, markets, etc. are not using this device, both electrical and electronics equipment connected to the main power supply is at risk of being damaged from spikes, lightning, cutout, brownout, blackout, or power cuts, overvoltage, and many more. The following above is a short description of the main type of electrical power problems. They are caused by these things and have negative effect on electrical and electronics equipment. Why everyone need the spider sensor? Why everyone need the spider sensor? Staying at a place full of comfort and peace with unreliable electricity and unreliable power grid is a constant test of patience. The signs of unstable power will look like flickering light, sudden blackout, device malfunctioning, and are common indicators of unstable power. However, one of the biggest culprits to these conveniences are voltage fluctuations. Unstable power can wreak havoc on your electronics, leading to damages circuit, a complete device failure, and many more. The spider sensor is a vital for everyone experiencing these problems. Even if you have not experienced any of this problem yet, neglecting the most complete protective agent with extra functions could potentially lead to high cost and devices malfunctioning. Prevention is far better than cure, and also the best protection. So we address the issue before it becomes worse. The spider sensor is very important in our lives. Function in this way. Below are some of the functions of the mighty spider sensor. They prevent electrocutions, prevent fire outbreak caused by electricity, protect the environment from natural disasters, reduce radiation from indirect electrical current leaks, safeguard humans, animals, and aquatic habitats, protect transformers from exploding and the dam not to compete with the soil, enhances the earth natural energy to strengthen the ozone layer and generate a robust magnetic field, prevent electrical current leaks around device, generate a protective neutral field from the ground to safeguard device during lightning storm, maintain balance between neutral and live electrical current to prevent device malfunctioning or faulty, prevent electricity from evaporating natural minerals in the soil during sunlight exposure, rapidly detect potential dangers within a second to raise an awareness. When detecting danger from a device, it protects other devices on the same distribution board from electrocution or fire outbreak. Support accurate meter reading to prevent unnecessary billing increment. Mitigate heat generated by electrical current. Knowing how to charm a snake is of no use if you let the snake bite you first. That is Ecclesiastes 10 verse 11. We have every opportunity to do something before we lose our attributes and functions necessary to sustain life. There are several cases posted on the internet, Facebook, TikTok, etc., witnessing high risks and calamities from electrical problems. Electrical problems are some of the important things in the home which need to be considered the most before it gets worse or result in calamity. We must protect the environment by supporting Deroko technology to come out with this powerful device called the spider sensor. This device has not been existed on this planet before, but I have moved this device from the spiritual realm to the physical world to save human beings. The world will never understand me and how I think. Things that seems impossible is possible in the sight of Deroko. This makes me dynamic. Within 1 decade, I am coming out with powerful 7 inventions to solve the depressing problem of the world. The world must support the engineer, the inventor of our era, to save the world. Things the world will never see on earth can be seen by Deroko. Every country, engineers must join hand to hand together to meet Deroko, so that we can do the mass production of this device to help prevent electrical calamities across the world. Interesting companies are invited. The Deroko Technology Steering Committee, we are planning for a summit in 3 sections, talking of electricity problems that will be solved by Deroko, smoke problems that will be solved by Deroko, and agricultural problems that will be solved by Deroko. Any interested country that want to invite or host this summit must communicate with Deroko Technology. That is www.derokotech.com. That is our website. Everyone is invited. Our doors are open for every individual to do business transaction with Deroko. For Deroko to protect the world, Deroko need your support. Without much saying more things, the world is invited to support Deroko to prevent calamities from electricity. Thank you.